Hi friends, welcome to Hashtag Meet. Today in this video we will see what do you mean by enhanced for loop. Just on the grounds of for loop, we do have enhanced for loop or for each loop as they say. So specifically to start with, enhanced for loop is specifically meant for arrays and collection elements in the util package. It may be used for uh, iterating. So for demo purpose, I've taken an array of integer elements, and as you note that in the enhanced for loop, just in the for loop there is you have to just take a reference variable and mention the base data type element name, as in take an I as a reference, and array is the name of the array of integers. So just you have to there is a syntax of mentioning, just you have to put the data type followed by space followed by the reference variable name colon followed by the um, yeah, the name of the original data structure built array of element. And after that we do have an array of list. So this is values as Ram, Sham, Vinod, Puneet, and all these values are printed one by one. So this is basically for each other for announce for loop as they call. Uh, Note here there is no this loop, there is no terminal condition, so it it's automatically error prone. So it will iterate only to the elements that are contained within the list. So be it 5 elements, 10 elements, and after that it will automatically stop the execution of the loop. So it's a more powerful loop as compared to the for basic for loop. But the condition is that it can be used only in case of arrays and collection util collections in the util packages. So let's see what output it prints on the screen. See, firstly it's printed as 1, 4, 56. These are all the values in the array. To minus 40 is correctly printed. Printed in the folder and by separated by a tab space. And after that it printed the name values, and these are the Ram, Sham, Vinod, and Puni, not by space. So this is basically a array list. You may say this is basically a list of strings, and so based on the data type, list of string or list of double or list of float values, you have to take the reference name, and that you have to array mention in the for loop, and it will get printed on the screen, you can see. So that was all about enhanced for loop. Stay tuned, keep liking, subscribing, hashtag email, more to come on you for core job basics. Bye for now.